Alright, this is where I'm at on the fender and the door. Got a couple coats of primer on it. At least on the outsides of the door and the fender anyway. Still got to prime the other side yet. Scuff some spots in there and stuff yet. Yeah, I did get a little run there. Sand that down later. But yeah, got that stuff primed. Still got to do the bottom of the door jamb, or the inside the door, whatever you want to call it. So now it's playtime. Brought my tailgate in here. I'm gonna do a little airbrushing on it. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna airbrush on it. Yeah, there's some spots that could be addressed on it. Little rust bubbles popping up a couple spots here and there, but not really worried about it because I'm just messing around. The rest of the tailgate's not in the best shape anyway, so not worried about it if it doesn't last. If the rust pops up eventually on it, because I'll probably end up redoing it later down the road anyway. So got a couple ideas on what I'm gonna go with for airbrushing, but I think I'll leave that for a little bit of a surprise for later on my next video that I do. So till then, peace.